All the Ranger is 2.0.
2.0, okay.
Either single turbo or bi-turbo.
Turbo, okay.
So we push start
Push start.
and 6 airbags. And also the steering comes with telescopic steering.
Telescopic, telescopic.
And tilt steering and telescopic steering.
Okay, and also got auto headlight, LED headlight also.
Yes, LED head. Day running,
Right?
and the touchscreen is only 10.1.
10.1 inch.
As compared to the Powertrain is a 12-inch.
But in terms of the functionality, it's the same, just the size for the screen.
Yes.
Right.
Yeah.
It's use Sync 4A.
Since 4A, yes, correct.
So got support the wireless Apple CarPlay and
Apple
Android.
CarPlay and Android Auto. Yeah.
So the gearbox is 6-speed automatic.
Yeah, automatic 6-speed for the XLT and XL. It's XLT Plus, and Powertrain is the 10-speed and bi-turbo.
So also got reverse camera.
Yes.
So,
Straight and immediate left.
okay. Actually, this one, is it the same engine as the previous
Yes, same engine as the previous XLT Plus.
XLT Plus?
Yeah.
Now also all come with digital meter.
Yes.
Very nice.
Quite impressed.
Yeah, not bad. I didn't saw the base variant, the XL.
XL one
Also come with
yeah, all digital and also the touchscreen also.
Touchscreen.
But the one less accessory as compared to XLT. Only the key.
more
Key
to
ignition
work
key,
use lah.
Yeah, ignition key.
Ignition key.
The one this one I push start.
So
Yeah, sorry.
left. NVH very good.
Yeah. As compared to our previous model 2.2 geometry turbo, this one more smoother.
More
and
smooth.
more generate more power as compared to previous model 2.2.
Protect also cheap.
Okay, left turn.
2 litre Rotec only how much?
400 over only lah. Just wrap it.
You don't mind?
It's a test run unit. As the customer can wrap it, feel it.
Try. So turn right.
Right turn. Okay.
The MPH very good.
Yeah.
It's
Very quiet.
very quiet.
Because like on this pickup truck, I can hear the engine or the turbo.
Yeah, because
diesel.
normally diesel engine is quite noisy as compared to the petrol.
Yeah.
This one you also got the what shift mode?
Yeah, shift mode. Yeah.
Try,
Shift mode, you need to put the manual first.
Manual first.
Manual first.
Oh,
And you can try.
third gear.
Keep to the left and turn left.
For the safety feature, this car got any like those safety feature like
But this comes with the standard
Comes.
safety features lah.
feature?
For example, airbag, 6 airbag, ABS, EBD, traction control. That's all.
Standard lah.
Yeah. But for the XLT Plus, they come additional like lane keeping assist, pedestrians and vehicle in front detection also. But this one only the basic safety features.
Feature lah.
What's the difference of the price between this variant and the XLT Pro?
Okay, this variant 129 888, and the XLT Plus is 142 888.
Ah,
Yeah.
but you get a lot more equipment lah.
Yes, it's not equipment. The one is the
Features lah, safety features lah.
Yes.
Actually, the engine compared to the bi-turbo and the single turbo, is it very big, different?
Yes, a lot different.
So normally people will go for XLT Plus.
Normally, yes, customer is, but this one can serve the purpose too.
Right.
If you are
What's the price also not too expensive? 100 and
129.
129, okay.
The one is 142. 140, 130.
13,000
About
difference.
13,000 plus.
13,000.
13 plus. But that one is bi-turbo, 10 speed.
Oh, that's
This one is 6 speed. So you keep to the right, and then in front of the traffic light, make a U-turn.
So actually can change anything, like change the different.
Yes, you can. This is let's say
the digital screen.
this is a normal. We call what? We have the one terms for the one. Forgotten the change first.
But can change, is it?
Yes, can change to the. There's a no gout here one. That one is go one. I forgotten the. Let me try first. Okay, forgotten the third. Okay. Setting, yes. Sorry. Setting. Yes. Okay. Yes. That's not the one, the classic view. If you want to change to the screen
content,
like this one, classic. Change to this one. Secondary. Like this. Okay. Go back here.
oh, just now I got show. I saw the
You saw the-
miles per hour. Like, you got demonstrate miles per hour.
Setting. Yeah, this
Oh,
one
round and
digital.
digital.
Yeah.
Try.
Yeah, this is a digital one. And go back to the. Yeah, this one.
Digital.
This is
Then
all
the
digital.
RPM here lah.
Yeah, all RPM is here one.
Because last time I remember the old Ford Ranger, the speed is here, the RPM is the digital here.
Yeah,
is it?
the
Beside,
RPM is there, the small one.
small one. Yeah,
small
also.
display there.
Now it's one whole thing.
Yes.
But this look very good lah.
Easy to access.
The dashboard also all like very nice lah.
It's very neat lah. It's very
Yeah.
neat. It's very
Also
nice.
got wireless
Wireless charging.
charger. And got 4-wheel, got rear diff lock and
Yeah.
turning radius also good lah. The steering also not heavy. Okay.
The previous turning radius for this model is 12.7, but now it's a 12.9 slightly bigger than the previous model lah. But you won't feel the difference, especially when you make a U-turn.
The looks also very nice. The exterior look. But I believe the bi-turbo, of course, a lot powerful.
Yes, because the torque almost 500 Newton meter as compared this is a 405.
Around 100. Feel the wind noise okay lah, not so loud. The bass good. So
Keep to the right.
right.
This lane also can. This lane.
Oh, this lane also can.
This lane also can.
I think mostly people will get the XLT and XLT Plus. These two.
Our bookings.
Mostly people order.
I can say about 50-55% is for the wow track.
Wow track.
Yeah, wow track. Because a lot of features there.
Correct.
Yeah.
So that one is what model?
This is a XLT Plus.
Plus lah.
Bi-turbo.
Bi-turbo.
Right.
Actually, the exterior got different. Sorry. Actually, the exterior got any difference? Like
Exterior,
XLT,
no different at all.
No different.
Only the major difference between XLT and XLT Plus is the engine.
Oh, the engine.
Bi-turbo.
Right.
And also the gearbox, the 10-speed.
10 speed. The safety feature also like
Safety features additional is like as I mentioned just now,
Lane
lane
assist
keeping
also.
assist, and also pedestrians and vehicle in front detections.
those like pedestrian.
There's a emergency brake apply lah.
Oh, those are AEB lah.
Yes.
But those who want more power, of course, go for the XLT.
XLT, yes.
Nowadays I saw like in our country the pickup truck also getting a lot now.
Yes, quite popular at the moment.
Then also pickup truck, if I'm not mistaken, pickup truck no tax, is it?
Yes, no
sales
tax.
tax.
No sales tax.
The price still the same.
Yeah, because under commercial.
So yeah.
Yes, sorry.
But for example, like, I see like you know the Ford under also Ford Ranger, but it's not pickup truck. It's Everest, is it?
Everest,
Everest, that one expensive. That one expensive.
Yes, SUV is under
got tax lah.
sales tax lah.
Sales tax lah.
Yes, right.
But actually it's the same, is it? Just this one is pickup.
Same platform.
Same platform.
Same platform.
So currently this one is imported from
Thailand.
Thailand.
There's no CKD.
There's no CKD.
Because normally I believe pickup truck is also all the model, all the brand also Thailand.
Thailand.
From Thailand.
Even the Australia, they also import from Thailand.
From
Also
Thailand,
not Thailand.
Because I think Thailand is considered the
Yeah, because it's a hub there lah. It's
Yeah.
a hub.
I believe maybe the XLT Plus should be more powerful than bi-turbo.
Yes.
With the wah track.
Yes. That's why normally customer will
Go
go
for that one.
for XLT Plus.
Because road tax also will pay the same, is it?
Same.
What if the service both also almost the same, is it? Like
Same.
Same
Because
lah.
2.0 and 2.0 engine.
then of course get the more powerful
Yes.
XLT Plus.
But you have to pay extra tax.
Extra
Right. Alright, true, yeah.
But I think when you calculate the installment factor in, still okay lah.
Yeah.
Still not a very, very big difference, I think.
It's not a big disparity there lah.
Yeah lah.
Yeah, because 10,000 ringgit.
Correct. You
Yes,
spread over
pay,
how many years?
How many years you pay?
Yeah lah.
5 years
Yeah.
maybe 100 ringgit only.
That's
lah,
why.
additional.
So there's like no difference already.
Yes,
actually.
correct.
But it's very good to drive. Very comfortable also.
Yeah, he's handling very good
Very
handling.
good handling.
Right.
Even for the passenger side, it's quite comfortable lah.
I think high speed also very stable also.
Yes.
For this car.
Mm.